So we can replace a front panel object with a different control or indicator. When we right click an object and select replace from the shortcut menu, a temporary controls palette appears. We can select a control or indicator from the temporary controls palette to replace the current object on the front panel. So selecting replace from the shortcut menu preserves as much information as possible about the original objects, such as its name, its description, default data type, data flow, direction, that is whether it's a control or an indicator, its color, its and so on. If we replace a numeric terminal with another numeric terminal, LabVIEW also tries to preserve the original representation. So if we now replace it with another numeric, then it will preserve its features. If the control does not support the new data type, the new object retains its own data type. Like for example, if we replace this numeric with, let's say, a push button, then it will not retain its data type. Further, if we had connected the object with some other object using a wire, and then we replace it with some other data type that the wire does not support, then the wire will be broken but will still be connected. The more the new object resembles the object we are placing, the more original characteristics that we preserve. For example, if we replace a slide with a different style of slide, then the more of the original characteristics of the object are retained. For example, the height, the scale value, the name, description, and so on. If we replace the slide with a string control instead, LabVIEW preserves only the name, description, and data flow direction, meaning that if its slide was control, then the string is also a control, because a slide does not have much in common with a string control. So there is another way of replacing objects. For example, if we have this numeric control connected to this numeric indicator, and we select this string control, then go to edit and then select copy, and then this object, this string control is now copied to the clipboard. Then we select this numeric and then we go to edit and then we paste. Then the string control which is on the clipboard will replace this numeric control. The wires are broken because the data types are different, but they are still connected to the they remain connected to the objects that were replaced. And even if the string control and string indicator, and if we connect them up, and now if I go and select this indicator and select this control, string control, and then select this string control and then go to edit and then select paste, the wires would remain connected. But this method does not preserve most of the characteristics of the old object.